sa dibdibay buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuyang walang pag-ibig, sa manlulubi, di ka masisingit, sa lahat mundo, sa simot at sa langit mo mahal. May dinatang kunakatawid sa adlayang pinamahal. Ang pista ng mahal, mo'y nalagyan ay nalagyan. Ang may tuwing ang nalagyan, ang may pag-ibig, lumalang ang sinasuri natin sa ating buhay. Ang hinihaya ng pagkay magkakabit na kamalay ng langit sa'yo.
To lead the prayer is Board Member Bani Senyar.
In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Dear Lord, as we deliberate into today's session, give us the wisdom to overcome passion. Give us that understanding heart to do away with prejudice. Give us the foresight to know what the future may devise. Give us the courage and strength to seek the truth and what is good. Give us the facility of language that we may be understood. And finally, our Lord, make us worthy public servants of this province we deeply love and highly honor, the province of Camarines Sur, the premier province of Bicol region. Amen. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
The floor leader, the Honorable roll call of members.
Vice Governor Fortunato C. Peña, Honorable Board Member Warren A. Sinyar, Honorable Board Member Romulo O. Hernandez, Honorable Board Member Darius S. Nopra, Honorable Board Member Fabio F. Figuracion, Honorable Board Member Nelson B. Julia, Honorable Board Member Rito P. Espiritu Jr., Honorable Board Member Angel G. Naval, Honorable Board Member Emmanuel H. Noble, Honorable Board Member Hilmar S. Pacamara, Honorable Board Member Amador L. Simando, Honorable Board Member Giovanni A. Sinyar, Honorable Board Member George R. Bengua. Chairman, I have the honor to certify the existence of it.
How many members are present?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
With 10 members present, the chair declares the presence of a quorum. The floor leader, the Honorable Angel Naval, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move for the approval of the journal dated May 13, 2014 during our regular session.
Is there any second to the motion? It is duly seconded. Honorable Bani Senyar, you are recognized.
Chairman, may we request or make a motion to transfer F2, B2 from the
What is the pleasure of Honorable Bani Senyar? Are you, somebody seconded already, we are still in the approval of the journal of the previous session. What is the pleasure?
We will be requesting that item F2B to be transferred to the business for the day. Instead,
we can do that after the approval of the journal. Is there any second to the motion? Is duly seconded? The motion for the approval of the journal of the previous session is approved. Your approval of the agenda. You may now proceed, Honorable Bani Senyar.
Mr. Chairman, I move that item F2B2 be transferred to
G5.
G5 for under business for the day. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
So, item number
F2B2.
F2B2
B2.
Be transferred to G5.
So, transferred to
G5.
G5. Honorable Simando, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. May I move that Item
Dapat may external.
F2A1
Next to A1,
be transferred to
G5.
G5.
G5 po.
G5, business for the day.
Please act on it accordingly. Next.
Di na ba?
Mr. Chairman, under F2B, proposed ordinances, is F2B1, an ordinance revising the Provincial Tax Code of 1992 and 2005 of Camarines Sur, pursuant to the provisions of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991. May I request, Mr. Chairman, for a copy of the proposed amendments? Especially, Mr. Chairman, that the proposal to revise will cover two ordinances. One is from 1992, then another is 2005. So, Mr. Chairman, before it is even referred to the appropriate committee, may I, as a provincial board member, request for a copy of the proposed amendments?
The Provincial Secretary may answer to the query of Honorable Nopra.
The tax ordinance, which is included in the proposed ordinance F2B1, was respectively forwarded to your email addresses, Your Honors.
So it was forwarded to respective email addresses. Anyway, Honorable Nopra is asking for a hard copy. The Provincial Secretary is directed to furnish the body a hard copy
We are going to
of the requested documents. Honorable Pacamara is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. A point of clarification and a point of order, Mr. Chairman, and at the same time, later, I'll move for the inclusion of this matter.
What is
for
your
its
point
final disposal? As I was fixing my things.
Do I hear you are raising a point of order?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
What is your point of order?
I was fixing my things 2 days ago. Nahiling ko, Mr. Chairman, in our regular session, 20th regular session, dated November 19, the recommendation of the Committee on Appropriation, with due respect to the Chairman, was that the annual budget of the municipality of San Jose, my hometown, for the fiscal year 2013 was declared inoperative in entirety. That was November 19, 2013. And it was seconded by Board Member Simando. But then last May 27, another committee report by the Committee on Finance stating that the annual budget of the municipality of San Jose was declared was held in abeyance.
The one that was held in abeyance was the approval of the 2013 budget.
Yes, same budget, same.
What was approved
Previously
was the
yes,
2014 budget.
No, 2013 budget.
2013
Yes,
budget.
Mr. Chairman, and the basis of its this approval was
Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
can I
Honorable
interrupt,
Navarro.
Board Member Pacamara? We are
Yes.
still in the approval or the
Of the-
proposal for
yes.
the agenda. May I request to Board Member Pacamara if you can just include that under business for the day?
Okay.
That issue can be discussed later on under business for the day.
Okay.
For after all, it
Okay.
will be the JD, the presiding officer, who will be the one to give clarification on the matter. So we
Yes,
will
yes, I
include
think-
that item additional under business for the
Yes,
day.
Mr. Chairman, I
That
move
is
for
okay
its
with-
inclusion on
Yes.
the annual
So with
budget for
regards
2013.
with regards to the point of order you raised,
Yep.
and
There were two recommendations kasi made by the committee. So later on the under business for the day,
Yes.
let's tackle it, Mr. Chairman.
So that, Mr. Chairman, just in case there will be disposition on the matter, we can act on it. Right now kasi, Mr. Chairman, we're still in the process of approving the agenda. Kaya i-include na lang yan as one of the item under
so what is now the
day.
pleasure of Honorable
I
Pacamara?
agree with the majority floor.
You want it to be included under the
Business
business for the day.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
The subject matter you are
Yeah, the annual budget for 2013 of the municipality of San Jose be
okay included
Business
under
for the
business
day.
for the day.
Business for the day.
thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Honorable Nopra.
Mr. Chairman, may I also request that resolution number 14-062 of the municipality of Libmana. It was included in the agenda June 3 session of the regular session of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. I was not around at the time, Mr. Chairman. And may I please request that this be included in the agenda for today's session under business for today, Mr. Chairman. They say, number 14-062.
Resolution
14-062
14
of the municipality of Libmana.
included under calendar business for the day. Majority floor leader.
If there will be no more inclusion in the agenda, Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of the agenda as amended.
Is there any second to the motion? It is duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The agenda is approved.
F2, first reading and reference to committees. F2B. F2B1, proposed ordinance revising the provincial tax code of 1992 and 2005 of Camarines Sur pursuant to the provisions of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991.
Mr. Chairman, I
Majority
move
floor leader.
since this is under first reading, I move that this proposed ordinance be referred to the Committee on Ways and Means.
Is there any second to the motion? I refer to the Committee on Ways and Means under first reading. Honorable Nopra.
To be one.
Before, Mr. Chairman, this is acted upon by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan this morning. May I just remind my dear colleagues that this should be referred to two committees. The two appropriate committees would be the Committee on Ways and Means and the Committee on Laws and Review, Mr. Chairman. And perhaps we can also include the committee, cross-referred to the Committee on Budget and Appropriation. And Mr. Chairman, I just hope and pray, Mr. Chairman, that the procedure as provided for in the Republic Act 7160 in approving for the enactment of a tax ordinance, be it an amendment or revision, Mr. Chairman, I just hope that the procedure, especially the sending of written notices to the people of Camarines Sur, the conduct of public hearing, sana po gibuntayan. Tayo po minsan, pagtukar ko na digdi, ang mga sangguniang bayan, pigihiling maninda, kung anong gigibong kan sangguniang panlalawigan, pagkita na ang nagproponer ni mga ordinansa. And ako man, Mr. Chairman, para tayo manisipo na magabat, kang kay riba ko po, simpleng bagay. I-notify taga-boss na mayor. I-notify taga-bus na Liga President. And i-notify na po ang business sector. Oh. So ako, Mr. Chairman, ngunyan pa lang, at this juncture, Mr. Chairman, sinasabi ko na po because ako labi ko ka-interesado. Kaya ko sinasabi maperfecto ta ang procedure digdi. Pagpasargan. Kundi ako po, balang aldaw, maintindihan kang kay Ribaw. Kung ako mag-question, tangunyan pa lang, nagtataram na po. Ipapagirumdum ko lang po sa mga dapat tang gibuhon, pag pigaktuaran ta na, ang tax ordinance, ang revision, kan tax ordinance, kan province of Camarines Sur. That's why, Mr. Chairman, ngunyan pa lang po, nag-agad na akong kopya. Kunig, siyempre, ang aram ko, si Sepo nagproponer ka sa rin sapot ko niyan. Ang mga amendments na yun, si siya nagproponer po. Ang sa balyo, sa main, o sa rong board member. Pwede na po maramang ko.
Provincial Secretary.
Base sa record po, si Sai.
Who is the proponent? Kindly answer the query of Honorable Nopra.
This was emailed to us just yesterday, and
Just yesterday, by whom?
yes,
Who is the proponent?
this came from the provincial budget officer, and there's no taker yet.
So that's from the executive.
Yes, from the executive.
Oh,
No
so,
taker yet.
if that is the case, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, can I...
Honorable Naval, you are recognized.
Buday lang po, dapat tapos.
Tawa-takang information tabi, Mr. Chairman. At the time then, the Vice Governor is still the chairman of the Committee on Ways and Means. He already started that upon instruction of the Governor. Then, during my term, we already conducted that proposed. So, it is still, in fact, ngalas nga rin ako, naka-first reading yan. Kasi yan, dati na yan nag-first reading kay Vice Governor Ato Peña pa. And when I assumed the chairmanship of the Committee on Ways and Means, we continue the revision. In fact, I already called for a public hearing to that effect for the committee hearing for the executive branch. And now, I don't know, with the present chairmanship o board member Noble, they tarang kung taano ito nagpuuna naman sa first reading. Baka this is different proposal than that proposed by Vice Governor Ato Peña.
Oh, so, Mr. Chairman.
This is the first time that, maybe this is the first time that it is presented with the
Yes.
Sangguniang Banlawigan.
So, Mr. Chairman.
Honorable Nopra.
Yan ang rason. Ano tapik klaro ko? Ta ako ang pasol, Mr. Chairman. Kung iyan hali duman sa balyo. And iba man yan duman. Sa pagkasabi ni board member Nabal. Ay dapat linawon yan bago ipadala kay board member Noble. Kung tama ba rin? So, harain yan mga proposed amendments na yan. Because they even use the word revision. I-revise. Piranggatos na provision ang babagoon. Ano tulo lang o 200? Posible yan because sa libmanan nga ni 300 na item ang binago. Tax ordinance yan. Ano po ta nagtataramaw kayo mo niyang digdi? Baka po kaya malingawan na ano man na revision, ano man na amendment sa sarong tax ordinance, it should be published before the enactment of that ordinance so that the people may know, the people of Camarines Sur, makaisi. Dapat i-publish yan, especially more so, that the province of Camarines Sur can afford na magkagawa ng publication. Publication can propose amendments pa lang. Dapat ipopublikar na yan. Kung halimbawa ma-aproban yan, ipopublikar giraray si finished product. So, at this juncture, Mr. Chairman, pigilinaw ko po ni kadikit kong naaraman na para man kita makalaog sa inaapod na medyo maribong na sitwasyon. Ako, sabi ko na nga ngagigiron tumong ito, tama si board member naman, pigpunan niya na Kundi, patalaga kong nahihiling kung ano ang mga emyendang yan. Ano, Mr. Chairman?
So earlier you stated that this ordinance be referred to 3 committees. If the understanding of the chair is correct.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
That is be referred to the Committee on Ways and Means,
Ways and Means,
to the Committee on Laws and Review,
Laws and Review, and the Committee on Appropriation.
Appropriations.
And sa suggestion ko, Mr. Chairman, sa ROPA, na we invite the provincial budget officer if she's the one. Sabi mo po, na yung nagpadala kay Ligdi. Who is our provincial budget officer, ma'am?
Sila yung mabesa.
Ilan ko na po ang pipadala? May kopya ka na? Mr. Chairman, with all due respect po, ma-invite na po siguro ang provincial budget officer sa pinaka-primerong committee hearing na ikukondusil para digdi.
So the provincial secretary is directed to invite the provincial budget officer. When do you want her to be invited?
Depende na po sa whoever will be your chairman.
Okay. Anyway, first, this ordinance is referred to the committees on appropriations, ways and means, laws and review.
F3,
Sige na, okay.
circulars, letters, and other communications.
Mr. Chairman, I
Majority
move
Floor
that
Leader.
the letter dated June 11, 2014 from Engineer Simplicio Gonzalez be noted.
Duly noted.
And also, the letter dated June 9, 2014 from the Office of the Secretary of the Sangguniang Palalawigan of Camarines Norte be noted.
Duly noted.
Calendar of business. Committee report. Committee on Gender and Development. Honorable Board
Honorable.
Member Fabio F. Figuracion.
Honorable Dr. Boots Figuracion is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Committee report under Gender and Development, only one item. Tracking number 1410, Municipal Ordinance number 157, Series of 2014 of the Municipality of Bunbon, Kamsur, entitled An Ordinance Implementing the Facility-Based Deliveries of All Pregnant Mothers to Intensify the Campaign on the Rapid Reduction of Maternal Newborn Child Health and Nutrition Strategy within the Territorial Jurisdiction of the Municipality of Bunbon, Camarines Sur. Date referred, June 10, 2014. Findings, the ordinance is enacted within the scope of authority of the prescribed powers conferred upon to the CSP of San Fernando of Bunbon, Kamsur, and the same is in accordance with the provisions of Section 17, RA 9710, wherein states shall at all times provide for a comprehensive and gender-responsive health services, including maternal care services to address pregnancy and infant health and nutrition, and Section 440 of RA 7160. Public hearing and posting were duly conducted. Committee recommendation, Mr. Chair, the ordinance is hereby declared valid and recommended for its approval. So I move for its approval.
Is there any second to the motion? This duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is adopted and approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
G3, business for the day. G3A, a resolution approving and ratifying the loan agreement in the principal amount of 650 million pesos, the deed of assignment and other documents related thereto, signed and executed between the province of Camarines Sur and the Development Bank of the Philippines, with all the terms and conditions thereof.
The newly elected chairman of the Committee on Ways and Means, the Honorable Manny Noble, is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Considering that it is very much urgent on the part of my committee.
Yes, you may proceed, Honorable Noble.
This resolution approving the ratifying the loan agreement in the principal amount of 650 million pesos, the deed and assignment and other document
I think almost it almost ready also for the if the body very much willing also to.
Do I hear any motion from the proponent?
So, Mr. Chairman, this document related thereof signed and execute between the province of Camarines Sur and the Development Bank of the Philippines with all the terms and conditions thereof. The chairman considered that very much urgent. I move for the approval.
Is there any second to the motion? It is unanimously seconded. Oh, Honorable.
I second, Mr. Chairman.
Yes. Honorable Nopra, you are recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I rise to raise an inquiry, Mr. Chairman. We have two resolutions here, G3A and G3B.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman. Just a simple query first, Mr. Chairman. Allow me to sabihin tang araw kayo para pasin. Ang saro DBP1, ang saro DBP2. Tama, taduan eh.
Yes, the first resolution is the loan agreement in the amount of 650 million. The other resolution is the loan agreement in the amount of 41 million,
41 million.
which we passed, I think, last year.
Ang ilinaw ko lang po, Mr. Chairman, ano takay po ni Suway pa and 1 sa 2? Why?
Well, I think this resolution 41 million, I think last the separate resolution and in the one also, I think the other present resolution requesting the provincial the governor to authorizing the our governor to approve so that they can also avail the development of the province in terms of mga kagayunan, mapakaray. One of that purpose of governor mixed media party that our provincial government now pursue the development not only in terms of infra but also in education, health, and other purposes.
Aside from the answer of the Honorable Noble, the 41 million was approved last year. They have a separate resolution, separate ordinances approved separately, separate from the 650 million. And the agreement, loan agreement, are made separately. So a resolution, separate resolution for its ratification, it must be separately also.
And another is that one is payable in 10 years and the other is payable in 15 years.
I have not seen the...
I think, Mr. Chairman, all the...
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, that will suffice. That will suffice. Your answer will suffice, Mr. Chairman. Those are the answers. My next question, Mr. Chairman. As to the form, Mr. Chairman. The last time we approved a loan agreement when we authorized our governor then in our second term as board member. Mr. Chairman, I would like to approach you this time. I'll show you something.
You may approach the bench. Recess for 1 minute.
Mr. Chairman, the problem with our provincial secretary is
Anyway,
that even the old proposed,
Dahil
even,
ni-recorded ha, recess pa man
even
kita.
the sample resolution, pikiri ba? Kaya it caused confusion, Mr. Chairman. Arin mananggad ang official tang resolution. Even ako, Mr. Chairman, dahil ko naiintindihan yan. Tapos yung mga luma, nakakairiba pa. Even the table is wrong. Tasala sinakopya. Garo itong New Camarines, nasala sinakopyang template.
Kaya talaga.
Mr. Chairman,
Baka mo ba, di man na yun?
Sige lang, recess pa man
Mr.
kita.
Chairman, we are still in recess.
Yes, we are still in recess.
Yung ano.
Mr. Chairman, ini po kaya dapat maging malinaw ini. Napakasimple, boss. Ano ang pigmotion kang board member? Ano ang pigsekundaran kang board member? Itong tamang resolusyon.
I think, Mr. Chairman, during the time na nag-ratify,
No, I'm not. Bigay istorya ko lang, boss. Makang problema, boss. Maurag ka. Makang problema. May problema sa papel.
so,
This is big deal, Mr. Chairman. Kaya gusto ko mapakaray.
Mr. Chairman,
Ma-deliver kita itong finished product na bagayon.
according to our provincial secretary, I think all the document, previous document, dapat attached in one, even we had ratified, dapat attached in one of the requests of the DBP, I think, all the document be one to be submitted, I think, one according to provincial secretary.
Iyo, kwenta kaya
Pinag-ratify dapat kaya kahit pa mas video.
Mr. Chairman, there is a confusion. We have a draft resolution there, but it is different from what is being presented.
Ito. Parehas.
Iba, Mr. Chairman, linga ito.
Approving, ratifying, parehas. Yung draft resolution, yan mga yan. Parehas. Proposed ano?
Fine man.
Matubod ka kang gusto rin.
Ay, mo pwede yan. Ay, pati, ay ng papel. Ay ng papel.
Sponsor na.
Mr. Chairman, naka-recess kita. Ay.
The session resumes. Honorable Nopra, you're recognized.
Mr. Chairman, after a careful perusal, Mr. Chairman, of the two proposed resolutions and with the necessary adjustment and correction, Mr. Chairman, ang pagtubod mo daw kan sponsor, Mr. Chairman,
Yes, yes.
per deal man ang lalaugan kang probinsya.
Well, I think, Mr. Chairman, nakalaog naman interong ko yan, purposes, with due respect to that under the loan.
The terms and conditions.
Yes, the term and condition also very much
Fair and just. Legal and in order.
yes.
I second the motion, Mr. Chairman. The approval.
So all under resolution 6.
So there is a pending motion for the approval of the first
Mr. Chairman,
resolution, and is duly seconded by Honorable Nopra. Board Member Naval and Honorable Nopra. Is there any
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
objections? Honorable
This is not an
Pacamara,
objection,
you're
Mr.
recognized.
Chairman. But then I suggest and move that we delete the word ratifying. Instead, a resolution approving the loan agreement in the... Aliyon na po itong ratification o ratifying? Maski pa. Di maripas kita. What is the plan? Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Recess for 1 minute.
Basta unanimously approved na lang.
The session now resumes.
Mr. Chairman,
Majority Floor Leader.
in relation to the suggestion of Board Member Pacamara, na we change the ratification. Actually, this is a pro format by the bank that we have to ratify whatever transactions agreement that came in after our approval. Because if we will remember, Mr. Chairman, in both transactions, Mr. Chairman, we already passed a resolution authorizing the governor, including the personnel from the executive department, to make negotiations and transactions agreement with the existing bank. Siyempre, along the way, may mga additional yan, Mr. Chairman. So, we have to ratify those things. Kaya nga ni, comes this ratification. I just want to make suggestion, Mr. Chairman, that in the resolution, the loan agreement should be part of the resolution, because what are we ratifying? Arin ang pigra-ratify ta. So, dapat included duman itong pigra-ratify. Ta kung magkaigwa ng bagong change, Mr. Chairman, da ito pwede. Kaya po, arin ang pigra-ratify ta. Itong loan agreement, ito ang dapat kaiba. Bako ito as annex, bako ito as attachment, but part of the resolution. So, gabos to, Mr. Chairman, should be part.
So the
Included.
entire loan agreement should be part of the resolution.
Yes, bako lang pong as whereas, kundi as approved. So, alibay ini mga whereases na ini, Mr. Chairman, in fact, sala ini, isa nakakuha ka na yung title naman na ini, sala ni, the amount, Mr. Chairman, should be part of the title, bakong sa whereas, because whereas has nothing, has no effect whatsoever, Mr. Chairman. The amount should be part of the title.
The title.
Di pwedeng whereas na. Ano ito, iguana naman.
The contention, Mr. Chairman, the contention, I think, the contention of that resolution, considering that they also approved.
I thought I saw a resolution nakaiba ang ang pagdi-display ba na naman They, ano ni?
Can you read the title of the copy?
The original resolution, I think, I read first, Mr. Chairman, the resolution approving and ratifying the loan agreement in the principal amount of 650 million, including in that
Nasa title.
Yes, Mr.
Di sala yan.
So, mali, baka nag-confuse.
Now, the loan agreement, Mr. Chairman, should form part the resolution, but not as whereas.
So, anyway, Mr. Chairman, nakalaog naman yung amount.
And of course, Mr. Chairman, let us be, let our practice be the one to prevail, Mr. Chairman. Ang ginigibo taig diyo, presiding officer nagpipirma, saka itong ano lang, yun na to, dahil man pwedeng babaguhon mo ang sistema kang sangguniang panlalawigan because of only that dakol man na transaction para reyasa na. What we need is a unanimous approval, and that should be very clear, unanimous.
So meaning
So there's a pending motion and duly seconded by Honorable Nopra and Honorable Naval. Is there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
That will be for the first resolution only,
First
Mr.
resolution.
Chairman.
Then the
Next
second resolution, Mr.
resolution.
Chairman, approving and ratifying the loan agreement in the principal amount of 41,990,708 pesos and only. The date of assignment and other documents related thereof signed and execute between the province of Camarines Sur and the Development Bank of the Philippines, DBP, with all the terms and conditions. Attached also with the terms and conditions, Mr. Chairman, with the suggestion of Honorable Naval.
Is there any motion to it?
So I move
second, Mr.
I move
Chairman.
for the approval, Mr. Chairman.
It is duly seconded by Honorable Naval and the Honorable Naval. Is there any second to the motion? It's duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
G3C.
Next.
So it is also urgent resolution. Last time, I think, in the birthday of Governor El Rey, we suggested Governor Mix with the resolution expressing congratulations and best wishes to the Iglesia ni Cristo to the occasion of centennial anniversary this coming July 27, Mr. Chairman. So the purpose of my resolution, if very much willing, the members, my colleagues, that my purpose of this resolution to award personally in the central INC in Manila, and if our provincial secretary very much willing to inform the schedule, Governor Mix is very much willing also to accompany in that.
Do I
award.
hear any motion for its approval?
So, Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of
It
my
is
resolution.
unanimously seconded.
Mr. Chairman, can
Honorable
we have a
Honorable.
request? We already talked, board member Figuracion and me would like to request the principal author if he can be part as
So,
principal
anyway,
author. The two friends of Iglesia ni Cristo.
You want to be co-sponsors?
Yes, kaming dua po, kaming dua, so
So, if the body very much willing, collective motion, Mr. Chairman.
You have accepted.
What about if the members, my colleagues?
So who wants to be the
So, colleague,
co-sponsors?
Collective motion.
If that is the case, Mr. Chairman, it should
Honorable
be
Lopra, you are recognized.
on joint and collective motion.
Collective motion,
Pero
yes.
kaya,
So,
What is the pleasure of the proponent?
yes, I have no objection, Mr. Chairman.
You have no objection to the proposal of Honorable Nopra?
I'm very much willing that suggestion,
Okay.
motion of Honorable Nopra. So, if very much willing, Mr. Chairman, the provincial secretary also prepare a simple plaque attached by a resolution, and then to be awarded in
So
Manila.
it's a collective motion?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Approve.
So,
Next
thank you very
item.
much, Mr. Chairman.
The inclusion of Honorable Pacamara, this is with regards to the review of the San Jose Camarines annual budget.
Honorable Pacamara is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As stated a while ago, Mr. Chairman, there is a confusion on the recommendation of the committee with regards to the 2013 budget of LGU San Jose. As I've said, last November 19, during our session, the recommendation of the committee was that the annual budget for 2013 of the Municipality of San Jose was declared inoperative in the entirety. Unfortunately, during our session last May 27, the recommendation of the committee was to hold it in abeyance. So how come nagkagawa po kita ng dalawang recommendation where in fact the decision of the members of the committee, the members as a whole is to disapprove it.
The first issue, it was declared inoperative in its entirety. On the grounds first that it was
The grounds, Mr. Chairman, number
that
one,
the passage was not valid.
yes, it was passed by only the majority of the members present, not the
After
majority
our
of the members.
declaration of it inoperative in its entirety,
Yes,
the Sangguniang Bayan of San Jose passed a resolution ratifying
yes, Mr. Chairman.
the annual budget for 2013.
Yes, Mr.
That was
Chairman.
what was considered by the committee. That's why it was held in abeyance in deference to Honorable Pacamara.
Yes, but then,
Yes.
I understand, Mr. Chairman, but
Yes.
then ratifying an error or an illegal act is merely will not cure the illegal act made by the Sangguniang Bayan. What the Sangguniang Bayan of San Jose should have done was to pass or is to pass a
Anyway, the
National
resolution was to the recommendation of the committee was or
our remedy ko po, Mr. Chairman.
to be held in abeyance.
Yeah, held in
Anyway, it will
abeyance.
be discussed again in the committee level.
Yeah,
So in the committee level, again, you will be invited in the committee level, and then the officials of the municipality of San Jose.
Oh,
During the committee hearing, we can discuss.
so
That's why it was held in abeyance.
so your decision, Mr. Chairman, is that we hold this first.
Yes,
today
we cannot
instead-
discuss it here in bank. In the
Okay.
committee level, we can discuss
My
the.
apprehension kasi, Mr. Chairman, was baka mahaabot na itong 30 or 90 days period. So, di mas approve ining recommendation mo. Na unfortunately nga ni, sabi ko, igwa ng previous recommendation ng committee na kumbaga disapprove. In the
And then we
entire
can
thing.
discuss that in the committee level
Okay.
on what to do with the resolution ratifying the 2013 budget.
Okay, yes, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, thank you.
Next item.
The inclusion of Honorable Nopra. This is with regards to resolution number 14-062 of Libangan.
Okay, Madam Amanda. Next item.
G5, transferred items from reference of business.
Ayo.
F2B2, an ordinance establishing the Ragay Community College in the municipality of Ragay, Camarines Sur, providing funds for its operation and maintenance and for other purposes.
Honorable Bani Senior, you are recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of the ordinance establishing the Ragay Community College in the municipality of Ragay, Camarines Sur, providing funds for its operation and maintenance and for other purposes.
Is there any second to the motion? It's duly seconded by the chairman of CHED of the of higher education. Yes, Honorable Noble.
Considering that
Recognized.
the representative Richard last committee hearing very much willing to submit that urgent resolution in Legazpi City maybe on Monday. So may I request the provincial secretary with the BMC Nyar, we will submit this resolution upon signed by Governor Mix, we will personally handle this resolution with the being punishment. Thank you.
So it is duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The provincial secretary is directed to expedite the resolution mentioned.
F2A1, resolution authorizing Governor Miguel is R. Villaferte to donate to Sangay Southeastern High School situated at Barangay
Honorable
Tiragi.
Simando, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is a resolution authorizing Governor Miguel Luis R. Villaferte to donate to Sangay Southeastern High School situated at Barangay Turagi, Sangay, Camarines Sur, a portion of Lot 2G PCS 17962 owned by the province of Camarines Sur with an area of 350 square meters more or less, which is the present site of two classroom school building of the said institution. Considering, Mr. Chairman, the urgency of this particular resolution, may I move that this resolution be approved?
Is there any second to the motion? Is duly seconded by Honorable Pacamara. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. Chairman, we already completed our 4 sessions this June. So, other matters na kita, no?
Other matters.
Other matters. We already completed, Mr. Chairman, our 4 sessions this June. In July, we have 5. Can we schedule our first regular session in July, Mr. Chairman? Can we have a date?
July, ano?
July 1, 8, 15, 22, 29.
So we have 5 Tuesdays. What's now the pleasure of the body?
1, 8, 22, and 29.
1, 8, 22, and 29. Any objections to the proposal? Mayo. So our next session for July will be July 1, July 8, July 22, and 29. The Provincial Secretary, please be guided accordingly. Okay,
Mr. Chairman, if there will be no more matter to be discussed, I move to adjourn.
the session is adjourned.